Hello everyone! Today I'll show you useful things you can make from drink metal cans. Take a plastic bottle and make a small cut at the top, as shown in the video. Then you need to put a cola can into the bottle. Next you need to boil some water. When the water boils, put the bottle in and keep it there until it completely wraps around the can. This is what we should end up with. Using a utility knife, cut off the excess parts of the bottle. The bottom part of the bottle has become very hard, so you need to cut it carefully. Now take a piece of sandpaper and sand the top part of the can until it opens. As you can see, we got some really cool metal cups. These cups are convenient to bring on a picnic. You can also use this as a desk cup to store pens and pencils in it. If you like this idea, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.